Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the science class. Today we are going to start our exercises. So first what you have to do, you have to make a title page like this which says chapter name and chapter number. Turn the page and write date at the corner and start writing. Exercise A. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which area experienced a cyclone? Options: hills, plain, desert, sea coast. The correct answer is D, sea coast. Second, which of the following contain a minimum quantity of water in it? Options: milk, B, cereals, C, tree, D, egg. The correct answer is B, cereals. Number third, how much area of the earth's surface is covered with water? Options: half, B, 1/3, C, 3/4, या D, 2/3. The answer is C, 3/4. Fourth, the purest form of water is dash. Options: A, groundwater, B, rainwater, C, tap water, D, river water. The correct answer is B, rainwater. Fifth, how much percentage of total water is fresh water? Options: A, 75%, B, 66%, C, 0.003%, D, 0.5%. The correct answer is 0.003 C. Now exercise B. Answer these questions in a sentence. Question number 1. Why cannot we drink seawater? Answer: because seawater is salty. Question number 2. Define transpiration. Answer: the process through which plants lose water to air as water vapor is called transpiration. Question number 3. List the different sources of water. Answer: rain, river, lakes, spring, ponds, sea, ocean, etc. Question number 4. What is famine? Write a heading of famine and start writing. The condition when there is a drought for a long time leading to scarcity of water and food is known as famine. Question number 5. Give the percentage of water in the following. Write with black pen. Tomato is equals to Exercise C. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What are the major uses of water? Answer: we use water to wash, bathe, cook and for generating electricity. It is also used in industries and agriculture. Question number 2. Why it is necessary to conserve water? Write a heading of conserve water and start writing. The level of groundwater is decreasing drastically. The demand for water is increasing day by day. The number of people using water is increasing with a rapid growing population. Also, more and more water is being used to produce food and by the industries. Question number 3. How clouds formed? Answer: water in the form of vapor goes into air by evaporation and transpiration. At sufficient height, the air becomes so cool that the water vapor present in it condenses to form tiny drops of water called droplets. It is their tiny droplets that remain floating in air and appear to us as clouds. And this is how clouds are formed. Question number 4. What is a drought? Write a heading of drought and start writing. A long period when there is a little or no rain is known as drought. Question number 5. Mention the effects of drought. Again, write a heading of effects of drought and start writing. Crops dry up and do not grow without adequate water. The land becomes dry and its top layer is blown away by wind, leading to soil erosion. This further reduces crop production as soil becomes infertile. The natural vegetation also dries up due to acute scarcity of water. Exercise D. Answer these questions in detail. Question number 1. Explain the water cycle in detail. Write heading of water cycle and start writing. Water from the ocean and surface of the earth goes into the air as water vapor, return as rain, hail or snow, and finally goes back to the oceans. The circulation of water in this manner is known as water cycle. Write heading of process. Writing. Water changed to water vapor by process of evaporation and transpiration. The evaporation of water is faster in sunlight. The water vapor so formed become a part of air and disappear. These vapor in the air form clouds. Leads to rain water goes to stream, lake, river and ponds. The circulation of water between the ocean and is a continuous process. Question number 2. What is the rainwater harvesting? Explain its uses and methods. Again, write a heading of rainwater harvesting and start writing. One of the best way to increase the availability of underground water, which is our main source for drinking water and the water used for agriculture, to collect rainwater and store it for the later use. Collecting rainwater in this way is called rainwater harvesting. Now write a heading of uses and start writing. Water is collected there and then when it falls and is prevented from flowing into the rivers. Heading. Method. Start writing. Two major techniques are used to save rainwater. Number 1. Rainwater is collected on the rooftop in a storage tank. This water is sent through pipe or directly to pits in the ground. Second, rainwater is allowed to go into the ground directly from the roadside drains that collect rainwater.